In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an instant transfer to your Robinhood account. Whether you're looking to jump on a new investment opportunity or simply want to have more funds available in your account, instant transfers can help you get started without waiting for standard processing times. I'll walk you through each step, making sure the process is clear and easy to follow. So let's get started. First, begin by opening the Robinhood app on your smartphone or visiting the Robinhood website on your computer. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see your portfolio, recent activities, and other important information. Next, look for the section called Robinhood Legend. Give that a click to access more options related to your account. Once you're inside, you'll want to click on your account, which is represented by your profile icon. This is usually found in the corner of the screen and takes you to your account management page. Here, you'll see various settings and features tied to your personal account and finances. Now, navigate to the Transfers and Deposits section. This is the area Robinhood has set up specifically for moving money into or out of your account. Within this section, you'll see different transfer methods, but since we want the funds to appear in your account right away, you should select the Instant Transfer option. Instant transfers are a convenient way to move funds quickly, making them an ideal choice if you don't want to wait. At this stage, you'll be asked how much money you'd like to transfer to your Robinhood account. Take a moment to consider your trading or investment plans, and then enter the dollar amount that fits your needs. Remember, only enter an amount that you're comfortable transferring, and double-check your entry to avoid any mistakes. After you've chosen an amount, you'll need to select which bank account you'd like to transfer funds from. If you've already linked a bank account to Robinhood, you should see it appear as an option. However, if you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll be prompted to add one. Follow the prompts carefully to link your bank securely, and Robinhood will walk you through the necessary steps to verify your account for future transfers. Once your bank account is selected and you've confirmed the amount, you're almost done. Give everything one final review, making sure all the details are correct. When you're ready, simply tap or click Submit to finalize the instant transfer. That's all there is to it. The funds should appear in your Robinhood account right away, allowing you to make trades or investments without delay. Thanks for watching, and now you can confidently make instant transfers anytime you need.